Puppy's Playful Day. The morning comes and Puppy rises, off to the park, filled with surprises. He calls to his friends, hello and good day, because all he wants to do is play. He says, I am sheriff of the West, and our here dusty town is best. Puppy chases bad guys down to protect his Wild West town. Puppy says, I'm mine for gold. Just look at all these rocks I hold. This must be beginner's luck, Puppy cries. It's gold we've struck. When sunset comes, Puppy sighs. He stretches out and blinks his eyes. One more thing I have to say. This has been a playful day.